Watch this. I'm generating a free Grok AI video using just a temporary mail, no account, no limits, no credit cards. Yep, that's right. Temp Mail V2 is live and it now works again for Grok AI free generations. Let me quickly show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventurous Investor Hub. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to use the latest version of Temp Mail V2 from tempmail.adventurousinvestorhub.com. The tool just got upgraded, and now it's even harder for websites to block your temporary inboxes. First, open Google in your browser. In the search bar, type Adventurous Investor Hub and press enter. Now, from the search results, click on the official website link. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor to the top menu and click on the Lab section. On the Lab page, select Explore AI Projects and click on Live Demo of Temp Mail Insta to open the live tool. So this is the brand new interface, Temp Mail version 2. The cool part, it comes with new domains every day, which means it's almost impossible for sites to detect or block them. Using it is still super simple. The email address you see here is your temporary inbox. Just copy it and paste it wherever you need an email verification. For example, in Grok AI's sign-up form. Sometimes one email might not work or get blocked by a specific site. No worries, just click on New Mail right here, and it will instantly generate a fresh email ID from another active domain. Any email you want to check in this Temp email, click on Open Inbox. You should be able to see the email, copy, and use it for verification. Once your temporary email works and you're verified, you can use Grok AI again for free video or image generations, just like before. In your inbox, you receive the code, resolve the CAPTCHA if it comes, and voila, you are ready with your code. I've covered the full process of how to generate videos with Grok AI in my other detailed tutorial. Check the card on top right corner or the link in the description. And that's it. Temp Mail version 2 is live and super reliable again. Go ahead and try it out for all your demo accounts, AI tools, or one-time verifications. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if it worked for you.